Hello there. The flow in this picture is following a certain pattern. This pattern is called a direction field. A direction field is a graphical tool to help to visualize the graphs of solutions of a differential equation. Here is a differential equation. Y primed is equal to minus x divided by y squared plus 1/4. Solving this differential equation means that you want to find all functions y depending on x that satisfy the equation. Finding solutions to differential equations in general is quite hard. In this course you will learn how to solve certain classes of differential equations. But as long as you don't know how to do this, you can draw a direction field to get an idea of what the solutions look like. Let's find the direction field for the differential equation you see here. Now, suppose the graph of a solution of this equation passes through the point 1, 1. This means, of course, that for x equal to 1, the corresponding value of y of the solution is equal to 1. From the differential equation, it follows that the derivative of the solution in 1 equals minus 1 divided by 5/4, which is minus 4/5. What does this mean? It means that the tangent line at the graph of the solution in the point 1, 1 has slope minus 4/5. Here you see a small part of this tangent. Okay? So without having solved the differential equation, without knowing the explicit formula for the solution of the differential equation, you found the slope of the graph of the solution at x equals 1. For the point minus 1, 1, the slope of the tangent is equal to plus 4/5. Here it is. You can do this for many other points and get this beautiful picture. This is called the direction field. Now, what do you see in this picture? Well, you can draw the graph of a solution with given starting points by following the direction field like this. So the graph corresponding to the solution of the differential equation, which passes through the origin, is the orange one. The solution which passes through the point 1, 0 has the green graph. Obviously, drawing a direction field by hand is tedious. Luckily, there is software that can do the job for you. Now let's see if we can identify two direction fields corresponding to two different differential equations. Here are the equations. Y primed is equal to x times y, and y primed is equal to x squared times y. And here are two direction fields. Which equation corresponds to which direction field? Let's start by looking at the simplest point, the origin. You see that in both figures there is a horizontal line at the origin, which makes sense. When you compute y primed in both equations by setting x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, you obviously get 0 as an answer. So this doesn't help to distinguish between the direction fields. Where are the differences? Well, if you look at the points 1, 1 and minus 1, 1, you see that in this picture the arrows have the same directions, whereas in the other picture their directions have opposite sign. So you can conclude that the first picture corresponds to the second equation. A direction field helps you visualize the graphs of the solutions of a differential equation. Just go with the flow and give it a try yourself before you come to class.